Okay, we're boiling sap. He's boiling sap, maple syrup. And what we're doing while we wait is we took our rod that we made the pirate sword with and cut off, and we cut another motor shaft on. It's a small motor shaft. It's only about from here to here, about that long. This is hot. And it's smaller diameter than that. So we're getting that hot, and we're gonna make an anvil out of this log. This piece of steel, we'll cut that, put that on this in there, and that's our anvil. Otherwise I'd lug it back to the woods. So hillbillies are us. Okay, so I only need to take the blade down that far. Sawdust in the sap.
Ja, het zie ik.
What? Well, it looked like it was glowing when I took it out. It's glowing back here.
Yeah, it is. It's weird. That's not glowing anymore.
Okay. Just want to straighten it. I want to straighten that. Anyways.
Yeah, I thought that was way harder than that. It's weird.
Yep, you go ahead. Here, I'll just be like this.
Ah, it's hot. Yeah, it's getting red. Go for like 30 more seconds.
Okay. How about you hold it and I'll hit it? Cause you got the gloves. Your knees smoking. Look at your knee. And I'll move the camera. Okay?
I'll wait for it. Keep this nice and hot. Get it in the coals.
Okay, you want to try that?
Yeah. It's not fully good square. Crap.
Done?
Straighten it.
Going straight back here.
Yeah. All right. Forging on the evaporator. Burning my pants over here. Ooh la la.
Oh yeah, I'll be there. You're not there. That's where you want it?
Yeah.
Why is it coming at me? Pah. Change hands. right hand pushes the fire away, but my left hand, the fire comes at me.
Direction.
No, same way. See if I go with it backwards. It doesn't blow, so I gotta go that way. And it comes at me. That is bizarre. That is so bizarre. I'm almost out. I'm almost out of power, yeah. Yeah, if you want. I don't know if it'll get any hotter though. Okay, what?
I think it's already hot.
Alright.
As hot as it's gonna be.
Okay, so I'll move out of the way.
Hopefully this thing's not super hot. Here, you know what? I'll put some snow on this. Here. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Pants smoking.
Mine?
No, mine.
Oh.
Ah. I don't know what else to do with it.
Let's just straighten it.
All right.
You want to lay it across this way?
Okay.
Just don't even put it back in?
I don't know. It's not really working.
No. Should we find some ice and quench it?
Sure. Sure. Yeah. Okay, we gotta do this quickly.
I'll stick it in the syrup.
No. Here, stick it in the snow. Oh, it's not. Get that in there. There, now it's in there.
Okay. Back.